Hi, I want to talk just very briefly about the word assignment. The word assignment is not due until the end of week 4, so you have some time to work on it. I'd recommend that you download the instructions, which can be found in the week 4 area, and read them carefully. Nothing in there is enormously difficult, but some of it is a little bit time consuming. There are two parts to the evaluation. One relates to formatting, so there's a series of instructions that tell you how the document should be formatted and how the tables should be formed and what's bold and what's the font and things like that. Read those carefully, follow them step by step. The second part that's being graded is a content part, so that there's a whole bunch of tables that are there, and you're supposed to fill in equipment or software packages. I have a couple of hints based on experience where students have gone wrong often. First of all, of course, they don't read the instructions and they don't take it step by step, so they slide by stuff and get points deducted when it really isn't necessary. The second is we expect real models. That is, often it'll say we want the make, the model, and the description. If we ask that, put in the make, the model, and the description. It is not important to put down where you get the equipment from. We're not trying to test you on that, but it should be a real make, a real model, and a real description if it's asked for. The other thing is there's a column typically that has requirements. These are not made up requirements. That is, you wouldn't say, oh, we need a printer, it prints. There is a list of 13 requirements in the instructions. When you are asked to put down a requirement that is being met, it should come from one of those 13 requirements. In addition, by the time you finish the assignment, each one of those 13 assignments should be mentioned at least one place in one of the tables. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask it at any time. I'm glad to answer by email or by the pager. I'm glad to set up conference calls or things like that, or online chat sessions if there's need for an explanation. Again, I'd recommend downloading the instructions as soon as possible and getting to work on it early because it will take you time. Best of luck.